Oh, this is the way to do it. That is it. That is the perfect way to describe this scent. Hello friendos, and welcome back to my channel. I am beedee. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, hey girl, you're looking good. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? You are exquisite. You're looking fantastic, better than you've ever looked, which I thought was impossible because you are a chef's kiss, okay? You see what happens when you are a returning viewer, a subscriber of the beedee Presents family. You get a little more of an enhanced, elevated greeting, okay? And I want that for every single one of you, okay? But what you have to do is subscribe to the channel, okay? It's just a little red button. It's not gonna hurt. You just click it and it just lets you know when I've actually uploaded a video, because sometimes YouTube wants to keep me a secret and we don't want that. We want to spread the love, okay? Be sure to also hit that noti button. Be sure to also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out, because you don't want to miss it. FOMO, not this year, okay? We want to be fear of missing in. No, that doesn't. It's not going to make any sense. But anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about Miss White T-shirt versus Miss Fresh Getaway. Both are new scents from Bath & Body Works, which incorporate like fresh, clean vibes, which is kind of a little collection that Bath & Body Works is doing for spring. They also have a few others in this collection, but today I want to specifically talk about White T-shirt and Fresh Getaway, and essentially which one should you get if you've been thinking about it. If you're like, I'm on the fence, hopefully this video will help you. In my previous video, I talked about White T-shirt, basically what I was expecting and what I got. So if you haven't seen that video, I will link it in the cards above and in the description box below. But if you have already seen that video, then you pretty much know what my stance is on that scent. And today I want to do a bit of a comparison with Fresh Getaway. Fresh Getaway is also a new scent for spring, and I'm going to hop right into the notes for Fresh Getaway. They are bright yuzu, citrus, and fresh ocean air. The tagline is "Get away to the coast with this refreshing fragrance that's crisp, clean, and beaming with sunny warmth." Honestly, they did not lie. I've already smelled this, but I'm going to do another scent test while I'm on the camera just to refresh my, senses on it. To me, it reminds me a lot of Midnight Swim, which came out in, I want to say it was last year, 2021, for like the summer semi-annual sale. I actually still have a little bit of the body lotion, and I have the shower gel in my bathroom. This is one that I wish could come back. The notes for this one were blue waters, beach flower, and fresh coastal air. And this one has fresh ocean air. So it's the same note in my opinion, and it really smells so crisp and clean. The difference I would say is that this is a little bit more citrusy and this one is not. I'm not typically a huge fan of florals or citrus scents, or heavily citrus scents. That's a tongue twist. Heavily citrus scents. But the weird that I ended up here with both of these scents. I love this one because it doesn't have that note in it. It just kind of has like it's just overall very fresh and clean and crisp. But if you are like, I wonder how this one smells, it's comparable for sure to Midnight Swim. But this is more citrusy. It's like an orangey, almost like a lemon limey almost too. Like a little 7-Up. But not with the effervescence of like a soda scent. You don't get that. You just get the actual fruit. And that fresh ocean air is just delightful. So for me, I really am enjoying this. As I mentioned in my previous video about white t-shirt, there's a floral category for fresh scents and there is a citrus. This is definitely giving citrus, and white t-shirt to me is giving floral because the notes are crisp pear, white, fresh white t-shirt, lavender cloud, clean musk, and soft sandalwood. But the predominant note to me is the lavender. It's just a bouquet of flowers, like an actual bouquet of flowers that you dipped in like some really zesty soap. Like that's what it smells like to me. So definitely doesn't make me feel like a white t-shirt, but a bar of like lavender soap. That is it. That is the perfect way to describe the scent. It is a bar of lavender soap. So if you are into that, then I would definitely recommend white t-shirt. But because of this, my good friend Sharice, hey girl, she told me that I should layer these two scents. So I haven't done that. I want to do it because I want to try to utilize white t-shirt in the best way that I can, if that means I need to mix it and layer it with some other things. So the first thing I'm going to try to layer this with to see how it works is with Fresh Getaway. So how I'm going to do that, I'm going to put some of the lotion on my arm and then I'm going to spray some of the mist on top of that. And then I think I might do the reverse on this arm just so I can see if it helps, if this still overpowers everything, or if I find like a new, like different, unique scent, you know? So let's see. So I'll rub that in. Soap-y, like the soap you smell in those packages at like Marshalls or whatever that are like in the packaging that's super floral, whatever. I try to find like a picture. It smells like that to me. Now, if you like that, then you should definitely go ahead by all means. But for me, I'm gonna have to take it down a notch. So I'm gonna spray some of that on top, or some of this on top, and I'm gonna just let it kind of, you know, do its thing and dry down a little bit. Let me spray a little bit more. So far, the lavender is kind of blending with the citrus in not a bad way, but I don't know. Do the reverse on this arm. This is the Fresh Getaway body cream. I got all of these when they had like a buy 3 get 3. I think I had some rewards at the time. Cause you know me, definitely not gonna shop for retail if I don't have to. I'm gonna use a reward or coupon or something, but okay. So I have the lotion of Fresh Getaway on this arm. This smells so good. It's almost, on this arm for whatever reason, it's giving me like fresh lemonade. Like those candies, it's giving me fresh lemonade vibes. And I don't hate that. It's kind of like sweet and fresh. Okay, so I'm gonna spray the white t-shirt mist over that. This should have dried down on this arm. It's so much tolerable. It's so much more tolerable with Fresh Getaway incorporated. The lavender isn't like in your face, like it's there. So I definitely will be pairing that. And that was with the white t-shirt lotion first and then the spray on top. Now for this one, this is the way to do it. You gotta do the Fresh Getaway first as your base and then put the white t-shirt on top of that. For whatever reason, white t-shirt as the base is still too much there, too present. But if you use Fresh Getaway as your base, it kind of melts into it a little bit better if you top it off. Oh, I'm loving this. This is the one. Okay, so this was the combo. It was Fresh Getaway, no, that's the shower gel. It was the body cream first, or the lotion, and then the body mist of white t-shirt on top. Oh, it's sweet, it's lemony, but it's not like cleanser, kitchen appliance, household cleanser lemony. It's just like a sweet lemon, and then there's a freshness there. I feel like it kind of draws out that pear that's in white t-shirt that you don't get on its own. Oh, it's so good. That is so good. So if you're looking for a combo, definitely Fresh Getaway layered with white t-shirt on top. Not the reverse, but try it. It's not bad, but it's very much given still white t-shirt with that at the base, as the base. Ultimate recommendation if you had to choose, again, it depends on what you like. If you are a person that likes floral scents, but you want something fresh in that category, I would say strictly go for white t-shirt. But if you are someone who is not a big fan of florals, if you like fresh air type scents with a little bit of a citrusy note, definitely Fresh Getaway. I think it's perfection. I'm definitely gonna pair it with my Midnight Swim lotion. But yes, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this helped you in determining what you would like to pick up from these two. But yes, I hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to give me a thumbs up and check out any more of my Bath & Body Works content. I will put some thumbnails on the screen so you can see, what I've been up to. And definitely be sure to subscribe because I want to give you the proper greeting this time, okay? But thank you again so much for watching. Make sure that you say your prayers, give some time to God. God bless you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.